lalela la coma ngijwayelile mina ngabe yazi siza umoya wami nje bantu ukuyenze nje leyo nto leyo ukuyenze nje leyo nto leyo yangizwa uke ngiyayibona leyo nto leyo yakhe.
Hello everyone, Gianlucci and welcome to my channel. So that was Cece responding to the backlash she and Zinxumalo got for seemingly ignoring and humiliating the renowned actress and musician Thembi Siete at the honor event. So Cece responded with that video saying Singamjwayeli kabi. Basically, we're making an issue out of a tissue. She's probably trying to prove that she and Thembi Siete are good. Plus, they're working together on Kings of Joburg, and they were recently at the launch of Kings of Joburg. Here's a video that got Cece and Zinxumalo the backlash. Social media was not having it, not Thembi Siete. She bothers no one, she works and go home. She's been doing that for over 30 years and she's still standing, very strong at that. Even the blog Maphephandaba was very annoyed by that video. The caption reads, "The iconic and legendary Boom Shaka babe and now actress Thembi Siete with two unknowns." Thembi, who paved the way for many in the entertainment industry in South Africa, continues to shine. Very shady. Someone responded, "The way they're acting for Sis Thembi will make them unknown fast. Don't be rude to an industry legend." The next person responded, "Green dress girl treating Thembi like her fangirl. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down." They didn't say that. Anyway, another person responded, "This is pissing me off, yo. Thembi is so sweet, Shem. She doesn't even seem to be bothered by these clowns." Another one said, "I know Cece, but not the one in the middle. Why are they so rude? I'm so disappointed in Cece. She's a grown-up and a whole mother." Kanamshem, I like Cece a lot, but I'm very disappointed, especially with her response. Maybe she should have kept quiet or clarified, but to say Simjwayela kabi nonke futhi, yo, it really leaves a bitter taste. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.